I had to retire from my full-time career because my health took a turn for the worse. I thought I had made it. I had worked so hard. You know, I had the company car and the company expense account, and I thought, wow, all my hard work paid off, you know, and then I got sick. My name is Shari, and I'm a beauty advisor at Sephora. I help clients with foundation matches, getting new products, and then I also work as a cashier. I have lupus. I was diagnosed in 1998. I lost my leg because of it. It was a shock, but in the back of my mind, I always kind of knew something could happen. It is genetic, and my mom had the same illness that I have. My lupus is eventually terminal. My mom passed away at 56, which is very young. Every year that passes, you know, I'm like, well, I want to make it past that point. When I got it, I was able to handle it the way that I do because my mom was very strong and she set a good example. I don't think she could have prepared me for this, but in a way she did. I have a son. He's my only son, and I want to stay on this earth as long as I can to see him, you know. It is difficult, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, just give me a sec. I try to live every day to the fullest that I can, and that's why my job is so important to me. Sephora actually saved my life, to be honest, because when I lost my leg, I lost a lot of friends because they didn't want to deal with it. It is important to me to just surround myself with people that are understanding and forgiving. Sephora just welcomed me, and they have been 100% supportive, always have been, so that means so much to me. It gave me a new purpose, made me feel special. The way that they view beauty, I felt beautiful. I've had a young girl, and she was so excited to see me working at Sephora in a wheelchair because she said her dream was to do makeup, and she didn't know if she would be able to get a job doing that because she was in a chair. I said, you know, don't let your chair hold you back. Honey, you can do whatever you want to do. It's okay to be different. I would really like to make a change in some way, and just knowing I did all I could do to help disabled people and the people around me, that's important to me, that when I'm gone, whenever that may be, that people remember that I was a strong, good person. We have to live our best life and be the best person we can be for those around us.